Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at the Montech King 95 in white. This Midi-Tower case is making waves, and for good reason. The first thing that grabs you is the aesthetics. The tempered glass panels, both on the side and front, offer a panoramic view of your components. The white finish is clean and modern, making a great fit for any setup. But it's not just about looks. The King 95 offers excellent airflow. The case is designed to support multiple fans and radiators, ensuring your components stay cool even under heavy loads. The RGB lighting is a nice touch, adding a splash of color without being too overwhelming. It's customizable, so you can match it to your existing setup. Building in the King 95 is a breeze. There's plenty of room to work with, and the cable management options are well thought out. The case supports a wide range of motherboards, GPUs, and coolers, so you shouldn't have any compatibility issues. The tool-less design makes installing components quick and easy. One thing to note is that the King 95 is a bit on the larger side for a Midi-Tower. Make sure you have enough space on your desk before you buy it. Also, the tempered glass panels can be a bit of fingerprint magnet, so you want to keep a microfiber cloth handy. Overall, the Montech King 95 is a fantastic case. It looks great, offers excellent airflow, and is easy to build in. If you're looking for a new case that will show off your components and keep them cool, the King 95 is definitely worth considering. It's a premium case with a premium feel, and it's sure to turn heads.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.